History is not a fixed, immutable truth, it's a narrative, a story crafted from various perspectives and shaped by societal values. Often, the stories we hear are filtered through the lens of those in power, creating a skewed version that often favors a particular group. We see this in the emphasis on the achievements of certain individuals, while the contributions and experiences of others are marginalized or even erased. This can mean minimizing the devastating impact of colonialism, overlooking the complex struggles of marginalized communities, or glorifying actions that caused immense suffering. The problem is not the stories themselves, but the narratives that ignore the wider experiences of people, painting some as the inherent drivers of history. To build a more comprehensive understanding of the past, it's crucial to recognize the biases present in the narratives and to be able to unpack their motivations. It must be recognized that understanding history is not static. It is a dynamic, diverse, and ever-evolving collection of stories that can offer a deeper understanding.